In the vibrant world of birds, relationships can be as complex as any social network. Take the fascinating case of the African gray parrot and the cockatoo. These species often share the same habitats, but their social hierarchies differ dramatically. The African gray, known for its intelligence, often takes the lead, using its problem-solving skills to navigate resources. Meanwhile, the cockatoo, with its playful nature, thrives on social bonds, often forming tight-knit flocks. This dynamic creates a unique balance. The gray's cleverness complements the cockatoo's social prowess. Observing these interactions reveals not just survival strategies, but also the intricate dance of cooperation and competition that defines their coexistence.